Hello students, welcome to this English lesson. Today we are going to learn basic English pronouns. This topic is very important for speaking, writing, and understanding English. If you understand pronouns clearly, your English will become more natural and confident. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. In simple words, a pronoun replaces a name or thing. Example: Ali is my friend. Ali is very kind. Ali is my friend. He is very kind. Here, the word he is a pronoun. It replaces the noun Ali. Why do we use pronouns? We use pronouns to avoid repeating the same noun again and again, make sentences short and clear, speak English smoothly and naturally. Without pronouns, English would sound boring and confusing. Types of basic English pronouns. In this lesson, we will learn 5 basic types of pronouns: subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. 1. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. They tell us who is doing the action. Subject pronouns list I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Examples: I am a student. You are my friend. He is a teacher. She is very smart. It is a book. We are learning English. They are playing football. Remember, subject pronouns always come before the verb. Object pronouns. Object pronouns are used as the object of a sentence. They receive the action. Object pronouns list me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Examples: she helped me. I like you. We met him. I called her. I bought it. They invited us. I saw them. Slow teaching. 3. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or belonging. Possessive pronouns list mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Examples: this book is mine. That bag is yours. This pen is his. The house is hers. The tail is its. The classroom is ours. The car is theirs. 4. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object are the same person. Reflexive pronouns list myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, themselves. Examples: I hurt myself. You should believe in yourself. He taught himself English. She prepared herself. The cat cleaned itself. We enjoyed ourselves. They introduced themselves. 5. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things or people. Demonstrative pronouns list this, that, these, those. Examples: this is my phone. That is your house. These are my books. Those are beautiful flowers. Common pronoun mistakes. Many learners make these mistakes. He name is Ali. His name is Ali. Me am happy. I am happy. Always choose the correct pronoun. Practice tip. To improve your pronouns, Read English sentences daily. Speak small sentences using pronouns. Practice writing 5 sentences every day. Practice makes you perfect. Conclusion: pronouns are a very important part of English grammar. They help us speak clearly, confidently, and correctly. If you practice pronouns daily, your English will improve very fast. Thank you for watching this lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never give up.